Good morning, guys. Time check, it's 5:52 a.m. and time to do some slow walk. Slow walk lang muna, kaibigan. Hindi pa natin kaya ang brisk walk. And time to get back in shape. Overweight na tayo ngayon. And hopefully in 30 days we'll lose around 15 pounds. So meron tayong malapit na outlet ng All Home dito sa Dasmariñas City. All Home Salawag. So kung gusto nyo walang pila sa counter, ito ang the best all day supermarket to visit. There was a time last year mag-isa lang ako sa loob ng supermarket. So ito yung vacant lot dito, owned according to people here, is owned by Ayala Group. Sa kabila naman, Villar City. So maganda sana to gawing soccer field. While wala pang specific project in mind ng Ayala how to develop this big tract of land dito sa Dasmariñas City. Ang grabe ang Villar City, which spans from Dasmariñas to Muntinlupa to Las Piñas to Bacoor, Molino. 15 according to the Villar family, 15 municipalities and cities bounded by 15 municipalities yung Villar City. Ang total land area niya is 3,500 hectares. I'll check later if the 3,500 hectares of land is bigger than the Makati City and Taguig City combined. Tingnan natin mamaya. So eto na yung All Home. And again, another Villar will go to the Senate, Camille Villar. So from Senator Manny, Senator Cynthia, Senator Mark, now Senator Camille. Okay guys, walking muna tayo. See you later. construction. May area sila ron sa likod which is allocated for universities and colleges. So eto na, no? Ganda dito sa amin. Cool weather. Good time to do some walking exercise, according to my friend si Dr. Attorney Dodi. Spend time doing walking at least 30 to 40 minutes 3 to 4 times a week to keep the doctors away, no? Keep our body and mind healthy and wise. Okay friends, ikot-ikot muna tayo. Thank you and have a blessed weekend.